morning, boys and girls. Jimmy with To the Top Crane. We're in a different facility today. We're in, I think it's a soybean processing facility. We got to pull a piece of pipe out of this building that's, I don't know, it's like a 90 or an elbow. It's an elbow. But it's down inside of that taller building that my cable is right in front of right now. So this building's about 80 feet tall. I guess the piece we're going after is about 30 feet back from, I don't know if you can see that downspout in the corner where the two buildings meet. But we got to drop our ball down inside there, or the pill, and pull that out. We're in another tight area. I've got, actually I'm straddling railroad tracks. And I don't like doing that, but we've made the necessary precautions. The entire rail crew on the facility knows that we're sitting here. We've got wheel chocks on the rail, a derail, flags, and then the 3 cars closest to me have all the handbrakes set. And then let's see what else we got. We've got a building right off the right side. We've got some power lines directly behind us. They're about 60 feet directly to our rear. We're not going to be swinging over that way. Yeah, it's always something. It's these tight confined jobs that make you appreciate the easy ones. But the way we're configured, we've got full span outriggers, 26,000 pounds of counterweight. We should be at about a 85-foot radius, maybe 90. And with the boom configuration I'm going to be running, I can go clear out to 131-foot radius. So we ought to have plenty. You can see we've got single line. The piece that we're picking is only about 1,200 pounds. And it's all going to be radio communication, so you'll get to hear some more of that. Anyway, the old GoPro battery's at 55%. I didn't plug it in. We got a spare down in the lower. I guess I could throw that in if it starts getting too low. But we should be in and out of here pretty quick. Hopefully. I mean, we've got some thunderstorms kind of rolling in too, so we need to get this done and over with. But I'll turn the camera back on shortly. We'll get some more footage.
Alright, Jimmy, we're gonna lift some things
sink drain. Pulled in, but they're not getting through here. It is not going to happen. Piece is probably going to flop over. Wasn't really afraid of it, I just knew it was going to happen. So there's the new one. Go ahead and get the camera back in position for up top. Well, these GoPro batteries don't seem to last very long when you don't have them fully charged. Went from 58% to 39%. Pretty short order. Reel it almost to the top, just because I'm going to have to boom down a little ways. You can't see what's up on the roof. We're going to try to catch that little bit of swing that it's got in it. be the radius we need to be at. Now we just need to swing right. They're gonna be messing with it for a little bit. They gotta get some chain falls on it and get that thing inverted. And yeah, we'll be back on. Gotta swing right just a little bit. Got this job done. We're gonna get this thing folded up and out of here. A lot easier than we thought it was going to be. When we first came and looked at this yesterday, I was told it was a lot further back on the roof. I thought maybe we were going to have to try to put the jib in this thing in here to reach it, but it turns out we were able to get it with 158 feet of boom and just setting up in the right spot. So pretty easy job today. But I'm gonna get this thing tore down, get out of here, maybe call it a half a day and go to the house.